5 roof maintenance tips to help your roof last longer, coming up next.
Number 5. Professional roof maintenance. While some maintenance tasks can be handled by building owners, it's a good idea to hire a professional roofing contractor for more in-depth inspections and maintenance. They can identify and address issues that might be missed by an untrained eye. Number 4. Repair roof leaks promptly. If you notice any signs of a roof leak, such as water stains on the ceiling or walls, address the issue immediately. Delaying repairs can lead to more extensive and costly damage. It's essential to fix leaks and damaged areas as soon as they are detected. Number 3. Trim overhanging trees. Trees that overhang your roof can drop leaves, branches, and debris onto it. In addition to this, debris overhanging branches can damage your roof during storms. Regularly trim overhanging branches to prevent these issues and maintain proper ventilation to keep your roof dry. Number 2. Clean gutters and downspouts. Clean your gutters and downspouts regularly to prevent clogs. Clogged gutters can lead to water backing up and seeping into your roofing materials, causing water damage and leaks. Ensure that water flows freely away from your roof to prevent water ponding. Number 1. Regular roof inspections. Schedule regular roof inspections at least once a year and after major weather events like storms. Look for signs of damage such as cracks, ponding, or damaged flashings and clogged gutters. Identifying issues early can prevent them from worsening and causing more significant damage. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.